Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Trenarek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, this is a vlog. It's some random days in my life. How am I talking like that? Some random days in my life, guys. So I got the vote. I did the vote on my community tab and I got lots of votes. I'm gonna put it share it in the screen. So you guys wanted vlogs and hair video. So we're gonna do it this way. This week I post a vlog and next week I post a hair video. So that's how we'll be posting our videos from now on. Vlog and hair video. So guys, if you are new and this is something you are interested in, kindly join the family by subscribing to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So my video, my channel, it's all about DIY hair growth journey, yes, and motherhood and vlogs. So if you're new and it's something you would like, kindly stay tuned and join the family. So there's nothing much planned for these random days. So whatever happens, I'm going to just add the clips and I'll show you guys what have been going on in my life maybe for 1 week. Yes. So I'll see you all in my next one, in my next vlog. Thanks so much for the support in all the vlogs. I really appreciate it. And see, they're doing our lights off and on. Alright. Bye guys. This is my view from my kitchen apartment, from my kitchen side. This is what my view looks like. Guys, I've just finished my workout. I didn't really do a workout anyway. I just did a cool down workout, like strengthening my muscle, my abs muscle. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what my stomach right looks like right now. Are you guys? So guys, this is what my stomach looks like. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? I'll be reading your comment, okay? Nothing much to do today. I'm just going to show you guys what we eat, maybe for lunch or for breakfast. I don't know. My daughter is still sleeping. Hubby is still at home. He has not gone to work yet. So yeah, when my daughter wakes up, I will try and vlog it. Yeah. So it's my time, mommy time, just to chill, and I'll check some things. I know some inspiration on YouTube of videos to do, and yeah. So guys, I'm done with my laptop. I've finished my research and everything. So I'm shutting my laptop down so I can continue what I want to do in the morning. And here I am outside my front of my house. So this is my plant. That plant needs Jehovah. And this is what the front of my view, this is what it looks like. So I'm just receiving some morning fresh air. It's kind of cold as I'm wearing this hoodie. I'm just receiving the air. I'm drinking my green tea, and I decided to water that plant because seriously guys, I'm kind of trying to make that my outside place look greeny, but yet I'm still lazy to water it. So let me know what you think I should do to get that plant to get back to life. And we have some aloe vera here for our natural hair. I'm just watering that plant because it needs a lot of help. Let me know. So my husband is ready to go to work, so I just chit-chatting, asking him what he's gonna eat, and he was asking me what my day is gonna look like, and I was discussing with him, and our baby girl just woke up in a bit. Yes, you wake up.
Morning, ciao.
Papa give you kiss. Mama give you kiss. So guys, here we have oats and apple and cinnamon. That's what is here. Yes. So my people, see who woke up from sleep. Our small YouTuber has woken up from sleep. Say hi guys. Hello. Not say hello. Hi, yes. She say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, she say hello. All right, so I'm going to feed her oatmeal and apple puree, and we'll bath and we chill. Today, I'm not going anywhere today. Maybe this is. What do you want to say? Say something. Say hello. Say hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing? Are you playing with your toys? You're playing with your toys? So guys, here I'm washing her gum and her tongue and her little teeth. Yeah, and I'm also dancing and playing with her so that she does not cry, so that we can get the process faster. And after that, she ate. And here I'm trying to create a content, a hair video. So I create my hair video in my bathroom. If you have not seen my hair videos, please go check it out. So this hair video is going to come out after this vlog or before this vlog, but I'll put it up in the card. Then we went out for our morning walk. We do this every morning. We go out for morning walk for her to see the birds, the daylight, and we'll come back home. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I say welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, good morning. How you all doing? How is everything? So today is Friday. It's a brand new day. I just finished my workouts. No matter I'm not sweating, yes, because I did not do like intensive workouts like Glow with Joe. Her workouts are always intensive. I didn't do that. I did another kind of workout. I think it's parental. I'm going to put her name down. It's about new moms trying to work on their core. So I just did her core workout because I'm also trying to strengthen my core, not only lose the whole body fat but also strengthen my core too. So today I decided not to do anything intensive. I just decided to strengthen my core. Yes, so that's what I did, and I didn't really sweat that much because the sweat I can already dry. So I'm also having this green tea because this is what I drink when I wake up in the morning. This green tea, I take this. This is what is inside my cup. So yeah, that's what I did this morning. I woke up around 5 or 6 thereabout. After I breastfed my baby girl, I decided not to sleep again. So I've been online, workouts, and online doing online stuff. Anyway, today I said I might go to the bank today, but I'm not too sure because if you live in Nigeria and especially in Abuja, you'll note that when it's on Fridays, it's always half day because they go to mosques. After they go to mosques, from mosques they go straight home. The whole organization has closed down. So yeah, I might go on Monday because I need to go and open my domiciliary account because some cash out, guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a video of what I use my first paycheck to buy. I'm gonna do a video for that. Yeah, so yeah guys, let me show you guys where we are on my slimming down of my tummy. So guys, I use this belly bed to work out, and yeah, so this is where we are with my tummy coming down, as you can see from the video. And hubby just woke up from sleep. Yes, and that's it guys. So my husband just woke up from sleep, so we got that too. So are you going to work? Papa? Mia, say something now. Mia, my love. I sent my brother to buy some soup things for us to use and cook soup because my monthly soup has finished. So this is another soup. I want to cook vegetable soup. This month I cooked okra and ogbono, which has finished. So I want to cook vegetable soup because I'll be craving for vegetable soup. And I gave him 10,000 naira and he brought back 3,000 naira change for me. So the things I showed you guys now, or I'll be showing you guys now, is what he bought for 7,000 naira. Like, things are really, really expensive. Like, really, 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 really expensive. It's our madam. She just woke up from sleep, so I don't know how I'm going to cook the soup now. It's my madam in my hand. Alright. So this is what he got. So he got some gari, ugu, water leaf, fish, bwwm, stockfish, some tomatoes, meat. So I'm just cooking the food. As you can see, we have they took our light, so I'm just using natural daylight, and the soup is ready. This is what the soup looks like, and it tastes so good, guys. And eating it with gari. So guys, estate finally on the chain, so I'm just enjoying my food, and my daughter really, really enjoys the food. Okay. You don't want to go?
I said, okay, first let me finish eating. Because I'm really hungry. You're not going now, you're not going to eat pizza. Because you can't fall.
So guys, we are done eating and hubby is home and we are just chilling at home. And I had some laundry to do, so I'll just sort that out. And this is, my day has ended for that day. So until the next day, which I had an outing to go the next day. So guys, we are going for a birthday party, my friend's birthday party. She's a designer. She also designed this dress I'm wearing. If you've not seen the video where we did a family portrait, I'm going to put it somewhere up. Go check it out. She designed the dress, the outfit we wore that day. So we are in her house. We're just wishing her well in this video. Excuse me. Don't mind the stuff you will see very soon. Is I'll use Snapchat to do this video because I remember I need to vlog this, capture this moment. So yeah, I hope you are still enjoying these random days in my life. Guys, I'm going to the bank right now with my daughter and my nephew. So I'll show you guys. I'll put a picture of my outfits. Yes, so that's what I'm going to wear to the bank, but I'm not going to wear the heels. So just wearing the heels for picture's sake, because I cannot wear heel to carry that baby girl. No, I'm gonna wear flat slippers. Yeah, so I hope everything goes well. I don't know, so I'll let you guys know when I get to the bank. And yeah, bye. So guys, we are going to the bank. If you're a Nigerian YouTuber and living in Nigeria, you need a domiciliary account for them to be able to pay you your YouTube money. Okay, so my nephew was bored, so I had to take him along with us. And when I got to the bank, I requested for an account officer, which they gave me one, and it took 4 hours before we were able to create this account because I needed like 2 guarantors. I needed to change naira to dollar, and there's a lot of paperwork, so it took us a lot of time to finish that. So here we are on our way home, and this was later that evening. I decided to read to my daughter, so I want her to get used to reading bedtime story before she goes to bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video, these random days in my life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and don't forget to on your notification bell. Okay guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye guys, see you in my next one. Bye bye.